Hello guys, how to set an alarm in your Windows 11 and 10 system. You can easily set an alarm in your computer also. To do so, go to Windows search and look for clock app. Open clock app. Clock app will open now, and here from the left side top left corner click on three horizontal line, and here you will find various type of option: focus sessions, timer, alarm. Choose alarm. Enable this feature and your alarm will set now. Click on it to edit alarm. Change time as per your choice. You can set repeat alarm and choose date, and you can also change and set a alarm tone as per your choice. Various type of alarm tones will available. Choose any per as per your requirement or choice. The various other feature also available in alarm, and this page click on three horizontal line from the top right left corner, and you will see various type of other option: timer, stopwatch, world clock, and as also focus sessions is available. Focus sessions means we will turn off notifications and app alerts during each session. You can choose a session in which session you can't receive any notification and any alerts. You can also set a focus on your Windows 11 and 10 system through clock app. That's all.